Hi friends. All right, so yesterday we talked about subtraction and we're subtracting these double digit numbers. So yesterday when we did our double digit numbers, in our ones place both numbers were 0. Today our first number is going to have an actual number in here. It's not just going to be 0. And I'm going to show you two ways to solve problems like this. But I also want to point out that what we're subtracting is going to be a tens number. So the number we're subtracting is going to have that 0, but the first number might not. All right, so here I have 84 minus 20. So just like yesterday, we're going to start off by drawing a picture using those tens and ones like we do in calendar time. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 84. So let me start with my tens. How many tens are in 84? Very good. There's 8. Count it with me. We're going to count by tens. We're going to get to 80. We need 8 tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I have 80 here, or 8 sets of 10. I have 8 tens trains. Then I need to make my 4. Remember, our ones were just those little squares, okay? Or those little, yeah, or we'll keep little squares here. Let's see if I can make a square. It might end up looking more like a dot. So let's make 4 of those. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about as good as my squares are going to get today, guys. All right, so we have 84, and we're taking away 20. If I'm taking away 20, 20 is a tens number. How many of these tens do I have to cross off? Very good, 2 of them. I need to take away 10, 20, okay? Remember, 20 is a tens number. I'm not going to get rid of these little ones here. That wouldn't give me enough, okay? That's only giving me 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to take away 20, so I need to take away 10, 20. If I take away 20, what do I have left? Count this up with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So my answer here is 64. Nice job. Now there's another way you can solve this. Of course there is. Okay. I linked this on your page. This is a hundreds chart. You'll remember our hundreds chart from our calendar time, okay? And if you want, you can either choose 1 to 100, or if you want to go 1 to 120, that's fine too, since you guys are used to seeing the 1 to 120, all right? So look back at my problem. My problem was 84 minus 20. So if we're using the hundreds chart, I need to start on 84. So I'm going to choose a color over here, and I'm going to click on 84. Everyone see that 84? All right, I highlighted it there. Remember a while back, we were counting forwards and backwards by tens using our hundreds chart. We were using this to add and subtract with, okay? And all we have to do is go up and down our hundreds chart to make it addition or subtraction. So if I have 84 and I'm taking away 20, I need to go backward, okay? So my numbers are going to get lower. So I'm going to go up this hundreds chart. Remember, if I go down, I'm adding, okay? See how these numbers are getting bigger? I don't want to go that way. I need to go backwards. I need to take away 20. And remember, every time we move up, we take away 10. So if I'm starting on 84, now I need to take away 20. Ready? Count with me. We're going to highlight as we go. 10, 20. What was the last number that I highlighted here? Good, 64. And if we look back, what was our answer? 64. So you can either draw a picture to solve these, or you can use the hundreds chart here. All right, let's do another one of these. So let's try, let me make this black again. Okay, let's do 76 minus 30, okay? 76 minus 30. So the first way you can do this is you can draw out these tens and ones. So let's draw out 76. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Very good. So I have 76 here. Now I need to take away 30. Count it with me while we cross off. 10, 20, and 30. What do I have left? Well, let's count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. I have 46 here. Good job, guys. All right, let's try it on our hundreds chart. So we're going to start on 76, and we're going to take away 30. So I'm going to highlight 76. This time we're going to take away 30. Ready? 10, 20, 30. What was this last number I landed on? Good, 46. Same answer as we got here. So you can use either one to help you solve these story problems today. Now, on your story problems, you are also going to have some addition problems. So just real quick to review an addition problem with you, because that's a little easier, of course. But if I have, let's say, 65 plus 20, okay? 65 plus 20. Let's start by drawing it out. So first I want to draw 65. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. Okay, so I have 65 there. I need to add 20. So now I'm going to add 10, 20. Let me make those a different color so you can see the difference here. 10, 20. Okay, now we need to add the whole thing together. And you remember doing some of this in iReady when we have to count all our tens first, right? So let's count our tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now our ones. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So my answer here is 85. Now, if I want to use the hundreds chart instead, I need to start on 65, and I'm going to add 20. So let me start on 65. This time I'm adding 20. So I need to go down this time. Ready? 10, 20. Where did I land? 85. Very good. We got the same answer in both places. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to have you do your story problems today. You may also notice some are not adding a tens number. Some might just be adding a small number that you can even just count on your fingers or count on with something in your house like blocks or something like that. So for example, if I have like 67 plus 3, I can just use my fingers or a picture. I can just draw 3 of something here, and I can count on from 67. So I can say 67, 68, 69, 70. And that's how I would get that answer, okay? Same thing for subtraction. If I had 67 minus 3, okay, you can just use your fingers, but I'm just going to use dots right here to kind of show you. So I have 3 dots. And you can just count backwards, 67, 66, 65, and 64. Because some of these will not be adding tens. They're kind of just all mixed up story problems here. All right, guys, I can't wait to see your work. Remember, you can use this 100 chart if you'd like to. I linked it. Make sure you send me a picture when you're done. Thanks, guys. Bye.